Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Huda again. Today's experiment is about how clouds are formed. Earlier, Miss Margaret, she made an experiment with you about how it rains. How it rains when the clouds are heavy, it rains. This is an experiment about how the clouds are formed. Okay? So, we are going to do that. We need warm water, hot water, because the clouds are formed when the sun hits the water and the water get warm and it forms steam. Steam is when, see the steam? Can you see the steam? Let's see the steam. Let me see here. You can see the steam. This is when your mom, she boiled water to make tea. You see the steam. This is the steam. So when the water of the rivers and of the ocean, the lake, all the water on earth get warmed up like this, it forms evaporation. This is evaporation. See what you see here, this steam, evaporation. Say evaporation. If you can't say it, it's fine, but at least you know how evaporations look like. Evaporation, it's when the water is warmed up by the sun, by the heat of the sun. Evaporation. So when the water is warm like this, evaporates and travels up in the air. And up there, it's cold. It's really cold. And that's how the water freezes. The water freezes there and form clouds. Form what? Form clouds. See? It's like on top, right here. If we imagine that this is the sky where it's very, very cold, the water become clouds. Clouds. This is condensation. It condensates. See? And becomes heavy. And when it becomes heavy, it started raining. And that's what Miss Margaret showed you. That's when the clouds get so heavy, melt, and start raining again. So the water is going back to earth again. And this is how clouds are formed. Water, warm water, becomes evaporates and becomes like a steam, goes up in the air and form clouds. Yay! Look at these clouds. And they're traveling in the sky like this, forming beautiful figures. Okay, like we saw earlier in the story. Okay, so these are how this is the experiment about how clouds are formed. So now we're going to do another fun experiment about shapes, if the water has shape or not. Think with me. Does it? Water has shape? Water cannot have a shape. Water is liquid. Can you hold water like a Play-Doh and make a shape out of it? No, because it's liquid. It flows. It's not hard. We can't mold it. We can't form it. Okay? But what we can do is this. Water take the shape of its container. This is oval. The shape is oval. So if I want the water to look oval, I just have to pour it on an oval container. Let me see if you can see this way. Can you see it? This is oval container. See? And it looks oval. See, the water here looks oval because it takes the shape of its container. Okay? Now we're going to shape the water as a circle. How? If we put it in a circle container. See? It looks circle. Water now is circle because the container is circle. Now, if we want it square, see, all the sides are equal. I put it in a square container. I put it in a square container, and that's how I have, let me see if you can see it. Let me see if you can see it here. Where am I? Where am I? I'm here. You're here? I'm here. Can you see it? See? So the water take every shape of its container. An hexagon. So, at home, sure you have too many toys that are shaped as a triangle, a circle, an oval, a rectangle, all the shapes that you know. So you could shape the water the way you want. Okay? Until next time, I'm gonna say bye to you, and I want you to have a lot of fun making these experiments with your parents. Okay? Enjoy! Bye-bye!